Hello everyone, my next update on my passion fruit, and you see this is very beautiful new shoot, and this plant is completely under shade, so it has sun only in the morning around maybe 1 hour, and that's it. And it's actually 3 feet from a window. And if someone will tell you plants do not grow in the shade, do not believe them, they do. And most plants I grow in partial shade, because when you're in south place like maybe California, Florida, Texas for sure, it's too hot, and plant during summertime will not grow. They will just sit and wait while it's get cooler. So, but unfortunately, I found a problem with this plant, and I'm going to move it to on sunny location outside, because I don't know, maybe you won't see on the camera, but here this is tiny webs, so it has spider mites. So especially this branch, it has spiders, and if I don't do anything, eventually all these leaves will be covered and plant will die, because plant cannot live without leaves. And this is how I lost my tomato plant recently, around 6 months ago. It was on partial shade, and it did have some sun during daytime, but probably was not enough, and I didn't do anything, and of course it died. I don't like to spray my plants with anything because that's extra work. So what I will try to do, I'll move it outside. I will give it shower with strong spray, because you need to wash off all these mites, and then it will be under sun. Under sun, it's more difficult for them to increase their population, and I hope it will be found by natural predators, but we'll see. So we need to monitor this plant. Alright, let me move it and I will show it again. So it lost these 2 leaves, which is normal. Plant with usually abortus, and I don't know if you can see here, like white spaces. So this leaves kind of dead. So here, so I washed, but spider mites very difficult to wash off. Water needs to be very hot, and it needs to be such a strong spray, and this plant will probably not survive such a strong spray. So we'll see how it goes. If it won't help, I will need to buy some treatment for this one, because I don't want this plant to die. It's so young. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment below. How do you deal with spider mites? Thank you. Bye.